Hi, in this video I will show you how to use Xlsx Viewer. Um, it's my website. I will leave a link on it in the description. Now to find the app, I will type Xlsx, and this is a viewer for Xlsx files. These files, they are Excel files for newer Excel version, but if I don't want to install or pay for Excel, and I just want to view data into these files, so I quickly created this app and it's free. Now to download it, I'll double click on the download button to start downloading process. Then I will click on downloaded archive, click on MSR inside archive to start installation, click on more info. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, and click on yes here and click on finish. You can see app has been installed on my computer and I have a shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and minimize this and double click on shortcut to start app. Yeah, it's standard software agreement. I will just click accept. So now, now I can select Excel file. I have a couple of them, like this file just contains list of United States. And I can quickly view what is inside this Excel file. And if there are like couple data sheets in it, I will see a couple data. For example, I have a US and Canada states. Yeah, like this one. This one has a two states. This is like US states and Canada states spreadsheet in it, and it's just quickly showing data inside. And also I can export to different format if I want. If I want to export this Greek data into different format, like Word, web page, CSV, text, XML. I can do that. So basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. Thank you.